Okay, guys, it's our daily reading time. So we are actually on Thursday. And we're doing the same. Remember, this is a flyer. It's not a paragraph. It's a flyer. So it says, read the flyer below and answer the question. So we're going to read through it again. Texas Hunter Safety Course. Who needs this course? Anyone born on or after September 2nd, 1971. Registration. Download a study guide at texashunterscourse.com. 2. Take the test online for $28.95. So those are the two things you have to do for the registration. The testing restrictions. You must be at least 9 years of age. Second thing, you do not have to be a resident of Texas. And third thing, if you are under 17, you must pass the online test and then attend a field day event near you before certification is complete. So remember, guys, these little things are called bullet points. So those are they're like kind of listing the things. So those are the listing test restrictions. Okay, so now we're going to read, and we're using this whole flyer to help us answer these questions. So the reader can conclude from the information in the flyer that a person who has successfully passed the online test and attend the field day event. So guys, let's look at, it's asking us conclude. That means after I read it, I can conclude. That means I can understand. The reader can conclude, I can understand that after the person successfully passes the online test and attend a field day event, is now able to hunt legally in Texas, can now hunt deer, ducks, and quail only. Well, it doesn't tell you what you can or can't, so no. Can now both fish and hunt in the state of Texas. This just says hunter. So it doesn't say anything about fishing. Will be able to hunt anywhere in the United States. Now, these two, A and D, is now able to hunt legally in Texas. I know it says Texas Hunter Safety Course, but right here it says you do not have to be a resident of Texas. So that's making me think that if you are anywhere, you will be able to hunt anywhere in the United States, because it does say you do not have to be a resident of Texas. So if you were only, think about it, if it's telling you don't have to live in Texas to do this course, but you would only be able to hunt in Texas, then why would you want to take it? So I'm going to say it's D. And I'm going to look up that answer just to make sure, because I think it's D. Let me look. Okay, that one is correct, because the fact that it says right here, you do not have to be a resident of Texas. So that means that you would be able to, if you're in California and you take this, you'd be able to hunt in California, not just in Texas. So which detail from the flyer suggests that a person who is not yet 17 must take a class before getting a hunting license? So what in our flyer tells us that if you are not yet 18, you must take the class? A person born before September needs to pass an online test. This just says anyone born on or after September 2nd. Doesn't say anything about how they have to take a test. A study guide can be downloaded online to a particular website. That doesn't talk about anything about having to take a class. A person under 9 may take the test to become a certified hunter. It says you must be at least 9 years old. So no. A person under 17 must attend a field day event before becoming certified. So yes, right here, if you are 17 or under 17, you must pass the online test. So a person who is not yet 18, that person would be 17. If you're under 17, then yes, you have to. So a person who is not yet 18 would have to take the test. Let me see something real quick. I looked at the wrong one. This is D. This is supposed to be A. I got that one messed up. See, teachers make mistakes. Sometimes it's A. Is now able to hunt legally in Texas because it does say Texas hunter. So yes, it can only be in Texas. Sorry about that one. Okay, it says, in your own words, write one fact you learned about the Texas Hunter's Safety Course requirements. So, in your own words, tell me one fact you learned from the requirements.